Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I have a subscriber request, and that was from, I believe, Serena, asking how the heck do you store all the Dollar Tree stickers? And I think this goes for Dollar Tree stickers, the wall decals, sheets of stickers. Like, what do you do with them? And I just thought, yeah, it's a good idea for a video. For the Dollar Tree stickers, I don't know whether you can see, there's a little black case right here. So I store mine in two places. The first one is here. Now it does have a couple of sticker books in it because overflow, but this is where I store most of my non-sticker book stickers. So I've got in here dots, more dots, sheets of stickers, kids stickers. These are little packs from the supermarket in the card aisle. They're like, I think they're supposed to be to put on envelopes. They're still stickers. The individual sheets of stickers. These say that they're switch plate covers. They're still stickers. These are the 3D dollar stickers. So that's what I do with the single sheets and the little flimsy sticker books and stuff like that. All of the stuff that I get from my Avery labels and stuff like that all go in here. This is actually very old. This was actually, back in the day when we used to have CDs, was a CD holder. So it had a little lid that came over and it had a magnetic clasp at the front. I just cut the lid off with a craft knife and now it just holds all of that stuff. But what do I do with the big wall decals? Come with me, we're going into my closet. So space is limited for those things, and I do want to eventually get them somewhere I can actually see them. But for now, this is where I put them. They're right here. They're right here. I put them on a hanging hook. It's a metallic hook and it attaches to the side of my filing cabinet. So this is what it looks like. I mean, they're pretty big for the wall decals, but they're all on here. And I have two of these hooks, and they're basically just magnetic hooks. I got these hooks from the Dollar Tree, and they attach to the side of my filing cabinet. I have two of them. And again, I have one at the top and then one halfway down, and that's where mine live. So the other thing that you could do is get yourself some hooks. Again, Dollar Tree. So these are just adhesive hooks, but if you wanted something that, again, you didn't have to stick to the wall, get yourself something magnetic and just stick it to something magnetic. But these would work as well. But what I'm thinking of doing is eventually putting them here on the side of my bookcase so that I can see them at a glance and I know that they're there, because I do forget that they're in that closet. I do forget, again, out of sight, out of mind. I forget that it totally exists. All right, so that is how I am storing my Dollar Tree stickers, my loose leaf sheet stickers, and my wall decals. I hope this gave you some ideas and inspiration. I'll be back soon. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.